that bitch and be off of that shit. Yeah, she out for being out my the molly and she got the lean. He see me clutching on my girl and they just tryna get popped. So my man is all that zing and he don't get no fuck. He sipping on that liquid codeine, his liver get it up. Yeah, I'm with the team. Yo, what's up, y'all? Shredder here and we I'm leaning up with it back with another vlog. Right now we at Perimeter Mall. Y'all, I got my boy RJ. I just want to say, all the homies is upstairs. Yo, y'all, it's Halloween, right? Yo, I got the whip today. I got my whip today. I'm gonna show y'all in a second.
You ever heard of Millie Merch before?
Millie Merch? I got a hat from you.
Okay.
Yeah, I do too, actually. I don't got my money on me right now.
Why you in the mall?
That's a good question, homie.
Alright, y'all, we just talked to some lady about, yo, some shit is fucking squeaking. I wanna slap that shit. Look at that bitch back there squeaking. This nigga got a fucking hat on his pink shoes, pants, Look at these niggas standing, bro. Twin said we gotta get them sued. You gotta stand, bro.
Move the mannequins, put them bitches in, and then we like stand up the mannequins.
No, that's all right.
Oh. Just behind the beam, yeah, Shady said she fucking with the whole team. Nah, but I lean for the liquor, Shady said she buying for the team. Pop another one, pop a two, yeah, I'm popping three, rolling out. I just gotta get some bread and get a whip. Yo, Halloween is gonna be lit, y'all. I don't know what y'all doing for Halloween, but hopefully y'all shit lit too. God, he got the orders on the wall.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, we pulled up to this thing. Big I'm a car winning this bitch. Hold on. Yeah, this motherfucking nigga was gatekeeping, bro. He had a whole fair.
Hey, this quick round right here.
Come on, I'm gonna whoop your shit, bro. I gotta whoop your shit. Yo, record that bitch. Let me whoop your nigga real quick. I don't got my money on my car. They don't even know how to play. Oh yeah, on that. I ain't giving you my money. Brought to you. Oh. How do I play? Oh yeah. I don't want to play no more. Yo, I want to show them the rest of the game. We out here. This nigga got a costume on. Yo, where my juice at? Yo, let's go. Yeah, they made my cock crib.
Let's see what my dude's finna do. Yo, the camera's so black.
Black as fuck. I cannot see myself.
They're criminal nasty. Gotta take it out of 4K.
Like, Pete, this dude fit, bro. I mean, he is a doc. Okay, cannabis. Let me get that. AJ, yo, AJ, you got a costume?
Yeah, we even did that.
A little Spider-Man jacket in the car. That's really it. Spider-Man jacket. Where the skeleton?
Yeah, you gotta put the skeleton on.
You need the skeleton.
Look at RJ, bro. He's like a professional.
Cannabis.
Bro, I told y'all they look close. Alright, so
What are this motherfucker? They closed. Go a lot. Wingstop closed as fuck.
Really?
Closed as fuck. The lights off and everything. Ain't no nigga in there. I'm so serious. Look at that shit. Yo, you can flip your
Oh, you can be deep in it. Yo, oh, yeah. What the fuck? Yo, we live.
My bad, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we had to walk. We trying to get something for walk right now.
They so slow, bro. They don't want no one inside this motherfucker, bro. They trooping.
There's people
Yo,
everywhere.
let's try inside here, bro. This is a hotel. Yo, this is what we need. Yo, it's quiet. Oh my God. Oh, you need a key.
We get stuck.
We moving.
I bet we need to look at the I don't know where we at, but we somewhere.
We need to be in the elevator, bro. Yo, we're about to wake some niggas up on Halloween trick or treat, man.
Yo,
Yo, what's up, yo? We back. My phone ran out of
My
storage.
phone ran out of storage.
I had to delete some shit. But we back now. We took a picture with some sperm and some
yo,
prisoners.
look at the picture
We was lit with them. Now we got some niggas walking around. Look at their costumes, bro. They lit, bro. Yo, y'all lit. They lit in that bitch. These niggas are lit.
Yo, this gotta be a hotel right here. Yo, this gotta be a. Bro, I think.
Yo, big ATL, bro. Big ATL, baby. And they even no niggas in that bitch.
Yo, you gotta turn it up, bro.
They got the motherfuckers.
Genesis for a picture with all of them.
Yo,
Yo, can we get a picture?
can we get a picture with y'all?
This cuz? Oh, alright.
They said, hey, y'all too. They said, hell nah.
Yo, and it had a Teletubby.
Yo, y'all gotta put some costumes on.
They already got theirs on. No more.
Look at them motherfuckers. What the fuck is over there? Yo, look at that, bro. World, come on. All we need is some scooters, man.
For real, bro.
Oh, you see how tall that bitch is?
Yo, look at this. Is nice, bro. Them look like people live in this area. Yo, look at this is nice. This is lit, bro.
Yo, this?
Yo, look at this. It's like a jumbotron almost.
Yo.
Yo, this is lit.
We lit out
You
here.
got the option to pause your video too, bro. Hell yeah. What the
Yo.
fuck?
Oh, that's a screenshot.
Yo, that's the picture.
Hold up.
I can pause my video.
I don't
get
got
updates. You gotta have ID? You gotta have ID?
Oh, they got drinks in that motherfucker.
Yeah, I ain't got ID. I just
I
want
don't
to go
got
in
no
just cause.
I just wanted to go in there.
Yo, for real. I ain't give a damn. It was getting close. I just wanted to
Oh
go.
God, I want to.
Yo, for real. Don't dance on me, nigga. Put me in that bitch.
I don't got to get too close, but I feel like a tourist in my own city.
I feel like a tourist in my own city.
Out here, highway. Look at all the fucking, all the black people. Dude, 4K. Yeah, nigga, that's why we running out of story. This is shit you can only do when you got a whip.
Yo, for real.
Niggas wasn't doing this before.
From the game, man, you in person.
Yo, wait till we go to what's it called, bro, LA.
Yo, you can just snap the picture, bro. You ain't gotta stop recording. Y'all here scared on the highway. Yo, we gotta get a picture. Oh, yeah, we gotta get a picture with him. Yo, Joker.
Yo, Joker.
I get a picture?
It's a
Let me get a picture, Joker. Let me get a picture.
man.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yo, nigga. Yo. Appreciate it, Brody.
Hey, nice to meet you, Joker.
Yo, we gotta get a picture with
Kill that
him.
nigga Batman.
Batman.
I'm tired of them movies. I fucking hate it.
For real, man.
Yo, Twin, can we get a picture? Can we get a picture?
I'm missing your
Yeah.
costume. I'm missing your
What's
costume.
your costume?
Yeah. Charlie. Costume, fam.
Nah, bro, we doing a vlog. We fuck with people costumes.
You still waiting on him?
29 got the goddamn free spot. You got the free drink. We was talking to him about
Free
work.
drink, bro. We just talked to him. We had like we worked there and he gave us free drinks. That's the method, bro. You gotta walk around and tell people you used to work
Tell
there.
people you used to work there and you know Larry. If you know Larry, you get free
The
drinks.
best method, bro, is to say your manager was a female because there's a lot of female managers, bro.
All of the managers are all females, so
Yo, so you lit.
if you say your manager a female,
Just don't even say her name. Say I don't remember. It was some female. I used to work there a long time ago. So we lit.
so we did. Y'all can see the whip.
We gotta get one more picture.
Yeah. Yo, can you take our picture?